If your glimpse setup does not complete, start with 5 checks. First, country and product access. Your country, KYC status, account type, and exchange rules decide whether a venue can support the product for you. Second, UID linking. For free early access, the UID must be visible under the glimpse code. If it is not linked, the free route cannot complete. Third, account mismatch. The UID submitted for review and the UID that created the API key must be the same trading account. Fourth, API permissions. The key should be trade only. Withdrawals and transfers should be disabled. If the key has unsafe permissions, create a new key with the correct settings. Fifth, propagation or verification delay. Exchange systems can take time. KYC, affiliate attachment, API creation, and futures access are not instant for every account. There are also 2 safe fallbacks. If you do not want to create a linked trading account today, use paid plan. Notification. If your region or venue route is unclear, stop and wait for review rather than forcing an exchange connection. The setup is designed to be strict because the product can place real orders after execution is enabled. Strict setup is not friction for its own sake. It is part of the safety boundary.